This is the plaintiff, Mark Davis. He says he was coming home from work, got jumped on the train, and decided to get a car. 27 minutes after he bought the car from the defendant, it was towed because she failed to tell him it had $1,000 worth of past due tickets. When he complained to her, she told him it was his fault. His fault? Is she crazy? He's suing for $1,000. The amount he paid for the car, he doesn't want anymore. This is the defendant, Erica Figueroa. She says the plaintiff asked to take the car to the DMV with her plates on it so he could get his new plates. She told him to go directly to DMV and not to park on the street. But the guy ran all over town with the car and it got towed. This entire mess is 100% the plaintiff's fault. And none of this would have happened if he'd just listened to her. She's accused of being a scofflaw.
Thank you, Douglas. Okay, Mark Davis?
Yes.
You are suing Erica Figueroa for $1,000 that you paid her for a car when 20 minutes later it got towed. What happened?
I'm a bouncer in New York City. I've been a bouncer for over 12 years. But in the summertime, incident happened with me and gentlemen in the club. And on my way home, I was jumped, basically. They tried to cut me in the face, but I blocked it and got 37 stitches in my arm. So after that, no longer taking the train for me, I'm taking cabs. Okay. I never met this young lady ever, but I know her children's father. Come to find out she was selling a car. Okay, I'm spending too much money in cabs. I'll buy the car from her.
And what kind of car was this?
A 97 Maxima. It was just to get me from point A to point B. Safe.
That's the thing, you know. People buy a $1,000 car to get them to from point A to point B, and then in the end you got a $1,000 car. So you got to make sure it's going to take you from point A to point B. But what happened here? You didn't even get a chance to get to B.
Well, I gave her the money. Well, I was a runaround. It was a whole long process to even buy the car from them.
Why?
It went from I'm not selling the car to she's not around, she's driving the car every day. Okay, no problem. I never spoke to her.
That makes you think the car's more desirable.
Yeah,
right?
I'm speaking to the friend, her baby father. I never spoke to her. So I'm thinking he's okie-doking me. So then I finally speak to her.
He's okie-doking you?
Yeah, because he's telling me.
What's that mean? I love
he's
that.
telling me that he's not selling the car.
Okay.
But he know my issue, so I'm trying to get the car. I'm begging him. So finally,
begging for a $1,000 car.
Because I spend over $400 a week in cabs, so I feel like I'm working just for cabs.
Is this the only $1,000 car out there?
No, but I'd rather buy from somebody I'm thinking I trust, I know, than a stranger, so that the runaround don't happen.
Okay, go ahead.
I go meet her. This is my first time ever seeing her.
Okay.
I see the car. I had to give the garage guy my ID because they owed him money. Where the car was parked in the garage. As far as I knew, she's driving it every day.
Right.
But when I get to see her, the car been in the garage.
Yeah, but who paid the money to the garage?
She paid the money to the garage out of the $1,000 that I gave her.
Okay. Do you know how much she paid the garage?
I think it was $150.
Okay.
But so just to test drive the car, I had to give the garage people my ID. They wouldn't let me leave because she owed them money. So I give her the money. I drop her off at her house. I tell her, listen, I need to leave the plates on it because I'm going to DMV right now. The agreement I had with her was I had to work that night. So I said, I'm coming right back uptown. So when I come back uptown, I'll bring you the license plates. No problem. I'll definitely do that. By the time I got from dropping her off to downtown to my mother's house, I went upstairs and told her, look, the car is outside. We looked out the window and it was gone. Just that fast.
Why did you go? I thought you were going straight to DMV. Why did you go to your mother's?
Because I had to get the plan was to just get a car from point A to point B. So I was going to my mother's house to put the insurance in her name so that we can go to register it.
Because you need to do that before you go to DMV?
Before I could but now that's a whole different story. I never bought a car off of someone before, so I don't know how it goes. Right. I gave her the money, she signed.
It's how many minutes after you bought the car
it was maybe 3:47 when I got down there. Upstairs, it took maybe a 2 minute elevator ride.
And you bought the car at what time?
Gone.
2? So we're talking about a couple of hours later, the car's gone. Did she ever tell you that she had tickets on the car?
No.
Okay, let me hear from you.
Yes, I did tell him that. I did tell him. And actually, like he just said, he agreed that he was going straight to the DMV afterwards. He just said that. And he didn't go straight to the DMV. He went to Queens, to Brooklyn.
Wait, you tell me what you told him, though.
What do you mean, about the car?
Yeah.
I told him exactly what was going on with the car. I wouldn't do that. He's a big man. Like, why would I even play myself like that? Like,
so I'm asking you, what did you tell him? Tell me what you told him.
I told him exactly what was.
Okay, you keep saying that, but that's a conclusion. I want to know exactly what you told him.
I told him my old tickets on the car. The marshals is out to get this car. I said, be very careful. Go straight to the DMV. I couldn't go with him because I had to pick up my son.
What do you think's going to happen at the DMV when he tries to register the car in his name?
No, I told him as soon as he gets to the...
How much in tickets do you think you owe?
It was about $1,000, maybe less.
Exactly. What do you think that the government is going to do when he tries to register a VIN number on a car that somebody owes them $1,000 on? You think they're going to say, oh, okay, well, tell her we really want our money. Here, go ahead, register your car. Do you guys really think that you can register a car that has $1,000 of outstanding fines and tickets on it?
I thought so. I mean, because
really?
I thought
is
it was all on the
Is that why you had to hit it in the garage? Because you thought that the government didn't want it?
So does the defendant have a duty to disclose their tickets in the car?
I think so. It's kind of like the lemon law. You can't sell somebody a car that doesn't work unless you tell them it doesn't work.
And if it gets towed, it doesn't work. Go inside the courtroom.
I thought it was all on the plates. I thought that stays on my plates, and it's true. Because even now, I go to the DMV or to the parking violation.
To the car, Sweet Pea,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you think you're going to pull one over on the government's eyes?
But I did tell him that, so that was his choice whether to take it or not. He should have left it in the parking lot.
Okay. Did she tell you that she had $1,000 in tickets on your $1,000 car?
That don't add up to me.
I told him that.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Can you prove that you told him that there were $1,000 in tickets on your $1,000 car?
She couldn't be here today because she has school, so she couldn't be here at all today with me.
Oh, you have a witness, so I should just trust you?
Yeah, but she couldn't be with me right now
so
today.
I should just trust you on what that person would say?
Yes, because like I said,
why wouldn't it happen, though? I got to tell you.
I wouldn't do that. Like, why would I do that? Like,
yeah.
You understand?
Why would any litigant lie? Yeah.
But he's lying. I did tell him that. I told him exactly. I said, listen, the marshals is out to get this car.
Let me explain it. Stop talking and listen, okay?
Yes.
For some reason, you are hung up on the idea, and yes, to me it's important, whether you disclose to him, listen, I have $1,000 in tickets on your $1,000 car. That's important to me. Mm-hmm. However, even if you did disclose it to him, the one thing that someone's entitled to when they buy a $1,000 as-is car is that it be a car. That's all. It's got to be a car. That means they got to be able to register it. That means that they got to be able to drive it. And if they can't do that because you've got $1,000 worth of tickets that you've ignored, is this how you live your life? And you're passing off your little problem to him, you can't possibly think, did you really think that the man was going to be able to register that VIN number with all those tickets on it? Do you think the government is that incompetent that they are not going to get their piece of flesh from you? Do you?
I thought so, but like I said, I did tell him.
How many children are you raising?
I did tell him.
How many children are you raising?
One.
How old is your child?
7.
Okay. Don't let your child see this case. Okay? Because you're not setting a very good example. If you owe $1,000 in tickets, pay it. And don't pawn your problem off on someone else. But just to be very, very clear, even if you had told them that, it doesn't do anybody any good to have a car that they can't register, entitle, and drive. Okay? Verdict for the plaintiff, $1,000.
So come on in here and tell me what you think of the outcome of this case.
Well, I think he lied.
You didn't look very good in that.
No, because I believe he lied. He lied.
He lied?
Yeah, because I did tell him, like, that's his responsibility. I feel like if I owe something and I tell you I owe this amount, it's on you to take it or not.
This is a bad deal all the way around, selling him a car with all these tickets on it. Are you going to let your kids see this?
No.
Well, why not, if you're so clean?
I'm saying because you tell me not to.
You do the crime, you pay the fine.
Yeah, but like I said, he lied. I did tell him I wouldn't do that. Like, he's a big guy. Why wouldn't I tell him that?
Yeah, he's a big guy.
Yeah.
All right, head right down.
Like,
head right down this way. Sign your documents.
You so much.
All right, so come on in here. You in this case. You are a big guy. Who in their right mind would jump you on the train?
Man, it was a couple of guys, but I got the best of them.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
And you got the best of her, too?
Thanks to the judge.
All right, so what do you think she tried to pull here?
Yeah, they tried to scam me, get over on the city of New York, in the court of New York.
Uh-huh. Everybody's trying to get you. What is it with you?
I don't know. They took my kindness for weakness.
I like you.
Thank you. I like you too.
Harvey?
The bottom line, you have to be able to pass clear title in order to sell the car, and having $1,000 in tickets with the DMV doesn't cut it.